So I went down to the basement and my piece of art has warped. And I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, you should be able to tell. It has warped a lot. So what happened was the wood swelled a little bit because the basement was more humid than my wood shop. So this thing's got some, I guess you could call it cool design right now, but it's kind of warped. So I brought it upstairs, let it, it's a little bit drier up here, let it go back slowly. But that shows you how wood can expand and do things. And nothing popped out because it's all screwed together, but I think I better relook at dehumidifier for the basement. I don't want my foosball tables to be doing this sort of thing. Okay, so wood and moisture. Wood's a flowing material when it comes to moisture.